Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Manix 2 here with me. This is a special edition. This is an exclusive made for Freight Unlock. It's made in the US and it's gonna cost you around $300. It has a ball bearing lock, which is a little bit different than the Access lock offered by Benchmade, because it has a ball bearing rubbing up against the tang and just a spring coil right over there instead of Omega spring. This is, very, very interesting knife. Has marble carbon fiber scales, so a little bit fancier and better looking than the regular G10. In the open position, this is a little bit over 8 inches, and in the closed one, it's a little bit over 4.6 inches. So still pretty EDCable, but a little bit wide in the pocket. The blade is a 3.37 inch long CPM 4V steel, so very, very good steel, good edge retention, and it has like a directional satin finish, as you can see, with a pretty nice saber grind, which is hollow right over here. So very, very nice blade. The sound it makes is very snappy. Hear this. This is going to give you a nice and solid feel. You're going to know that the lock is pretty reliable and robust. Very, very good. When you close the knife, you get this muffled thud, which is very listenable and pleasant to the ear. So I'm digging it. The weight is going to be 4.4 ounces, and also because you have full stainless steel liners running along, the handle, and the clip is going to be pretty cool because it's the classic Spyderco pocket clip. Not the most attractive of them all, but absolutely functional, with a nice clip ramp, good retention, so it's gonna stick in your pocket 100%. The grip is the highlight of this knife because it has nice finger grooves, it's beautifully contoured, it has jimping over here in the finger choil, like in these finger grooves, and in the back, in the heel, so it's gonna be safely glued to your hand. It's not gonna go anywhere, guys. This is very, very nice. If you're gonna wear gloves, this is meant to do some heavy work. I love the grip on this guy. The action also is super smooth because even if it's running on washer, the mechanism is making the blade, you see, like drop shot, and you can just flick this open like a boss. Like you can just spidey flick like this one, or you can even just open with 2 hands if you want to be just, if you're not in a hurry. So overall, this is a great knife. I can recommend this guy to anyone. And if you like this one, this video, and you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.